Hey everyone! If you're seeing a message on YouTube saying sign in to confirm you're not a bot, don't worry, I'm going to walk you through a few quick and easy fixes to get it sorted. Just follow each step carefully. First, check for VPNs or browser extensions. If you're using a VPN or any extension that YouTube doesn't allow, it can trigger this message. Just disable your VPN or the extension on your browser and device, and you should be fine. Next, avoid incognito mode. Browsing YouTube in incognito mode can sometimes cause this issue. Instead, try using the regular YouTube app or a standard browser window. Finally, make sure you're signed in. Open YouTube and log in with your Google account and Gmail. Being properly signed in ensures YouTube knows you're a real user. And that's it. After following these steps, the sign in to confirm you're not a bot message should disappear and you'll be back to watching your favorite videos. If this helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more quick tech fixes.